Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? So firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up, just like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode. Then select option clear data, clear all data, OK. And after a few seconds, all the data from your device will be removed, including your password. You just select restart, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.